That's it, my sugar cake for today. Perfect, guys. Look at that. Guys, gagawa tayo ng sugar cake. So, ayan, meron tayong 4 eggs dito. And then, we need 3 deciliter of sugar. Ayan. 3 deciliter ng sugar. Yeah, happy birthday daw ni Bibi kasi gagawa ako ng cake. So, ayan guys. Start na tayo. And then, ilalagay natin yung ating sugar ng kaunti-unti lang. Add our sugar. Ayan, and then we need 50 gram of butter. I-melt natin to guys. Ayan, we have 3.5 deciliter ng ating flour. And then we need 2 tablespoon ng ating baking powder. Ayan, we have baking powder, 2 tablespoon. Ayan. Ayan, ito na yung ating butter. I-add na natin dito sa ating mixture. Then, mix lang natin to guys. And then, ilagay natin dito ng paunti-unti lang. And then we have 1.5 deciliter ng ating fresh milk. Ayan, we add it there. Yeah! Like that. So, ayan guys. Ito na yung ating mixture. Ayan. And then, nagmelt ako ng butter. Ilalagay ko sa aking lalagyan. Sa aking cake molder. And then, spread natin yan dyan. Yung ating butter para hindi dumikit yung ating cake. Ayan. And then, meron tayong breadcrumbs dito guys. Ayan, spread natin dyan. Ayan, spread natin yan sa ating molder. And then, lalagay na natin yung ating cake mixture. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ayan, and then i-bake natin ito sa 175 Celsius into 35 minutes to 40 minutes. So, ayan. Ayan na guys, yung ating cake. Our sugar cake. Yeah, it's done. So, this is it guys. We will see. Oh, mainit. So, done. Wow! Perfect! Ayan na guys, yung ating sugar cake or sugar kaka. Ayan, it's done. Magkape na tayo. Here's my coffee. Diba? You can have flavor on this like vanilla or lemon. Yeah, like that. Hindi ako naglagay kasi wala akong ganun. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Sana natutunan nyo yung ating pag-bake guys. Thank you. Bye-bye!
Inte kan jag väl ha gjort någonting så jag stoppat i plånboken på något vis eller?
Ayan, tikman muna natin guys. Ayan. Masarap yan guys. Sana natutunan.